Proper installation of a belt scale is the first and most important step to ensure accurate and repeatable results. My name is Matt Morrissey. I'm a weighing technology product manager at Siemens. Today we're going to look at the vital steps required to install a belt scale system.
First, we need to select a suitable location for the MSI on the conveyor. Consult the belt scale application guide to determine the best scale location. Once a location for the belt scale has been selected, we can begin the installation. Create a reference mark on the stringer at the belt take-up so that the take-up pulley can be returned to its original location once the belt scale has been installed. Lift the belt from the area intended for the belt scale. Remove the idler from the conveyor where the belt scale is to be installed. Set the idler on the belt scale so that it is centered width and lengthwise on the scale. Mark the areas that need to be removed as they will interfere with the belt scale mounting brackets. Remove the mounting plate from the idler and reinforce the idler frame if required. Mount the MSI belt scale to the conveyor. Check to make sure that the scale is square to the frame and adjust if necessary. Tighten all mounting hardware to ensure the scale is rigidly fastened to the conveyor. Mount the modified idler to the scale with the idler clips supplied. Alignment of idlers is critical. Run a string along the rollers of the idlers, at least 2 idlers in front and 2 idlers behind the belt scale. Any gaps between a roller and the string indicate misalignment. For idlers that are misaligned, insert shims between the mounting plate and the conveyor stringer. Next, lower the belt back onto the idlers, check the belt tension and adjust it if necessary. Observe the belt tension while the conveyor is running to ensure that the belt contacts the weighing idler. As well, check to see if all rollers are turning. Mark the location for the speed sensor on the pulley shaft. Note that if possible, this should be done in a lathe to ensure proper positioning. Consult the speed sensor instruction manual for hole size and drill a hole in the pulley shaft for the speed sensor. Mount the speed sensor to the pulley shaft and secure with a set screw. Loosen the hardware on the shipping stop of the belt scale to begin the calibration process. Wire the belt scale to the integrator. Now the installation is complete and ready for calibration.
Now that the belt scale system has been installed properly, all you have to worry about is regular maintenance. For more information, please visit our website.